So guys, since we lost all the other footage when we were here the last time, we came back to Greenville. There goes Coop. He said, I know the way. I've been here. I've done this. Let's do it all over again. It's the governor's school. That's what the guy on the pedal car was saying when he passed us. It was talking to his people. So I'm going to take his word for it. Find yourself a tiny little waterfall. Let's keep going, Coop. It has all these little trails that go in and out of this downtown area. This is Falls on the Reedy in downtown Greenville. But all these little walkways, there's some that are up above, there's some that are below. They just kind of weave in and out, and there's lots of little areas for you to be able to sit, enjoy lunch, sit and talk to a friend, or just take a walk or a stroll. Pet friendly, people friendly, you know, great place to be. The last time I was here, this was covered with beautiful flowers. Everything was flowering in the spring. Always trying to see. Such a pretty spot. Last time we came to this spot, it just about fell like 5 or 6 times because it was nothing but mud. Now I see why. It was wet. It had just rained a bunch that time too. So the last time that I came, I guess because of all the rain, this was absolutely stunning. There was so much water that was flowing through it. Like all of this was even water. Well, down there. But like that was much bigger. Beautiful still, but it's not as like they were coming off the sides over here, and it's not like that right now. I guess it's just been drier. Still glad that I came back. Yeah, so not only did they have this the last time, but I mean, it was really flowing. It was all the way over to here. All that was cool. Man, I really wish that I didn't lose that footage. Daggone my phone for just crashing. Ugh, so frustrating. Had such beautiful pictures. They had all kinds of photographers out then, and now I see why, because it absolutely was beautiful. I just thought it was always like that. But I see now it's dictated by, I guess, the rain, or maybe they have a release of water somewhere. I don't know. But, too bad. Just wanted to cool off, huh? Wow, all this was water before. Cool. Can I get you in the picture too, Cooper? Cooper, you want to look at me?
Enjoy listening to the sound of the water from the waterfalls. It's very relaxing for a few moments. I am so sorry for my huffing and puffing. I was so hot and tired. Heat index was over 109 this day, and it was just brutal feeling.
Cooper's on the swing, although it's hot. I don't know why he's standing on it. Okay, come on. I am so ready for the fall. Oh, goodness. I'm trying to escape. I'm in South Carolina, so I'm still south, but still. I'm in the mountains, and it's still warm. Oh, I think somebody wants his stroller. Yeah, he's hot and tired, look. We haven't even been at it that long, but it is hot. So, man, one of these days I'm going to stop saying it's hot. Then I'll say I'm cold. I just want that happy middle ground. It's like a maze sometimes trying to hold up with him. That's why I got the stroller. The zigzags and around me and all that. Man, I try so hard not to get him to do that. And he still does it. I am absolutely done trying to put on makeup when it's this hot. Oh my God, it's over 100 degrees. It's not even noon. It's like 10 in the morning. I hate this. I'm literally dripping sweat. There's the suspension bridge. Oh. Are you hot and tired? Let's go get you some water. Alright, last time I went over this, I got a little wheezy. Come on, Coop. Let's keep going. Come on. He's like a bigger version than you. All right, Cooper and I just walked up to Gather Greenville. It's a cute little place. So let's check it out.
Gather Greenville is a cute little food court in a sense. It's a little outdoor area that has a bunch of cargo containers turned into essentially like food trucks that you can go and have either Mexican or a margarita, or you can get a burger or fries, or you can have some seafood. The choice is yours, and I'm sure at nighttime it's a very lively spot. The food was good. It's a great little outdoor area to gather with friends, family, bring your kids, let them run around on the little green area over here. You'll see there's like some games and stuff. There's a little VIP section. I don't know exactly what all that means. There's an upstairs to this as well. It's usually open at night. People have their dogs. People come on their lunch breaks, come out.
Got your water. trail. So one thing's for sure, I'm definitely going to use this stroller the next time we come out like this because it's just too much for him. And I think the sidewalks are also hot, so I kept taking breaks in the shade, in the shade in the grass, etc. So we're getting some tacos? No, a bowl. We're getting something to eat. See? It's cool. Right, gather Greenville for lunch. Cooper's water. Cooper steak. My thing. Lunch was good. Time to move on though. Let's see what's gonna be next. Are you tired of walking? You like the stroller. Let's make sure there's no cars coming out of this little back alley. See? That truck could have been on the prowl. You need to go potty? Huh. You want to go see the ball? Okay. Let's go see him. Goodness, wait for me. I don't even know what that is. Life and Legacy of Harriet Smith Winch, something. I don't know. All right. Just got back to the van. Cooper's having himself a treat. You having a treat, Coop? You don't want to show anybody your treat? I think about maybe going over to Unity Park again. It's just so hot over there, there's no shade. I remember that from the last time when it wasn't quite as hot, so part of me doesn't want to do it. Also, I could just have the same type of, and I didn't get the same kind of pictures as I did the last time. Last time I was here, the waterfall was beautiful, and it was like, I don't know, it was overflowing. It just was really cool. And just everything about it, I had gotten some great pictures and some video, but it just was really neat. I was really looking forward to posting those. And this time I'm just too hot. Alright, we're at Unity Park. And you see him? I can't tell. He's taking it easy this time. We're gonna head to the wetland. Here we go again. Deja vu, I'm doing the same thing. Except for this time it's on a much hotter day. I really thought it was going to be cooler. I was wrong. Anyway, hey look, I see the animals. Alright, so I didn't want to intrude on the gentleman that was laying down underneath the arch statue. This was a quicker walk this time than the last time was. This is like the biggest wind chime I've ever seen. I wonder what that sounds like when a storm's rolling in. Pretty cool, I bet. The last time I was here, it was super busy. It was during the week, but I think it must have had like a kid's summer camp or something going on. Because, I mean, hundreds of people, but there was also, it was a nicer day. There were people walking the Swamp Rabbit Trail. So the Swamp Rabbit Trail actually connects several of these towns, and it's just a great outdoor recreational trail. You can bike, you can take your dogs for walks, You can skate, you can, whatever you like. So it's really, really nice. And it goes on for, I can't remember if it's like 26 miles or it's for a long time. Some really cool playgrounds here for the kids. I mean, I didn't have playgrounds like this when I was a kid. Look how cool this is. So, way over there, you can probably see it through the grass, is the sign for the Unity Park. Probably see it from where I'm at. Last time we walked over there and took some great pictures, like in the letters. I'm not doing that. It's too hot. The sun's beating down. That's going to be really, really hot. Another thing that our county parks did not have growing up. Another thing we're not going to do. We're not going to cross over these bridges and head down the trails. Like I said, look around. There's really, yeah, I know you see a couple of trees, but trust me, it's all open. So I don't think we're going to hang around here long. Of course, now that was a nice breeze that just hit. But, well, actually, you know what? I am going to show you the Swamp Rabbit Trail. Hang on. Said I wasn't going to do it. And yet I'm doing it. But only so I can show you the trail. But look at the water that goes through here. It's not as cool as that Chattahoochee was. With all those people tubing down it, this looks very still. This, though, is that trail that connects all these cities. All these people. Goes for miles and miles and miles in both directions, see? And it'll go through the town and through the parks. That's called the Swamp Rabbit Trail. You can see more people coming up on their bikes. The nature, the greenery. Sorry guys, once again I forgot to end this video. I think the heat got to me that day. So goodbye. See you soon.